In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear watchlist in Tradingview. If your watchlist is cluttered or you just want a fresh start, I'll walk you through the simplest, built-in ways to tidy things up without confusion. We'll cover clearing everything in your current list, removing specific symbols one by one, and fully deleting a list you no longer need. First, open your watchlist panel. This is where all your saved symbols live, and it's the control center for organizing them. With the panel open, look to the top right corner of that area for the drop-down menu. Click it, then choose Clear List. Tradingview will ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm if you are sure. This action wipes all symbols from the current watchlist, but it does not remove the list itself. Think of it like emptying a folder without throwing the folder away. Keep in mind that clearing a list can't be undone, so double-check you don't need any of those symbols before confirming. If you don't want to erase everything, you can prune your list gradually to remove a single symbol. Hover your mouse over that symbol in the watch list. An X button will appear next to it. Click the X and that symbol disappears from the list. This is great for quick cleanup when only a few tickers no longer matter to you. You can repeat this for as many symbols as you like. And it won't affect your charts or saved layouts, only the watchlist entries themselves. Now, if you have multiple watchlists and one of them has outlived its usefulness, you can delete that entire list. Click the current watchlist name at the top of the panel to open the list selector. You'll see all your watchlists there. Hover over the list you want to delete. Then click the X or trash icon that appears. Confirm the deletion. This removes the list and everything in it from your account. One important note: the default watchlist cannot be deleted. If you are on the default list and don't see a delete option, that's why. In that case, you can either clear it or switch to another list before deleting that one. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.